LionAI mission is to empower you with the latest AI tools, tips and breakthrough so you can create, learn and grow. Hit the subscribe button. GPT-5 is faster, smarter and more powerful than anything we have ever seen before. This is August in 2025. At this time, ChatGPT is limited model for the free users. You get certain number of ChatGPT 5 responses, and once that use up, it switches to ChatGPT 5 mini model and you will be able to see like this message. The first thing you notice is speed. ChatGPT 5 feels almost instant. It's like talking to a human expert. ChatGPT 5 now handles PhD level knowledge across multiple fields. For developers, ChatGPT 5 is a dream. You gave it just one prompt and it generated an entire functioning app. But here's the secret: prompt engineering. The better your prompts, the better your results. I have made a full playlist teaching you how to master prompt engineering. It's linked in the description below.
There's Task Genius AI mobile app. You just add your tasks or even tell it by voice. You can do tasks on time, and you can even add short notes. Task Genius AI. Remember everything, forget nothing.